So I was saying we're going to expand the width. So you just come here, you add width equals to 40%. Okay, and we were talking about the width of the image. You see the way the image is quite big, so we are going to reduce the width. Just come here and say width. Let the width be auto. And say auto. No, you say 100% of the container, the size of the container. Now it will assume 100% of the 40% which the table has already taken. So in that case, you see it fits in automatically. So the next thing, we are going to align the labels closer to the form. So what we'll do is just to go here and type align right, and equally come here, type align right. So that is it. So the next thing now is to format our login button and the form using CSS. So CSS is an acronym for Cascading Style Sheet. We have the internal, the external, and we have the inline. I wouldn't want to use the inline now, but we'll discuss more about it. So you go straight to, to the head section of your document. That is where we'll be writing the internal CSS. But before then, we want to format the button. So we add a class to the button. So the button may belong to this class called bot1. You can call it anything. It mustn't be bot1. So you can confidently come down to the edge section and format it. To begin CSS, you open and close style. So whatever comes in between style should be CSS. Remember you said button, so you say bot1. So you can now format background color. You can tell it to be maroon. Color, let it be white. That's white. We'll talk more about HTML colors. Width. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, we have it. So the width now. Width can be 30%. Let's see. Okay, better. So another important feature is that you can add border radius. Border radius. So let's be 15%. 15 pixel rather. Make it curve. Alright, so you have border. Border should be thin, solid, and should have let's also say maroon. Alright, so once you do that, you have something like that. Okay, we can push it down. Let's just imagine top should be 5%. So that there will be space. Alright, so now the next is for us to format our input field. So I can quickly come, where's the form input? You add a class. Whatever you want to call yours, I'll call my input 1. Input 1. So I can come here, open a new class, input 1, and now format. To save time, I'm just going to copy this and paste. Then I change the color. The background color should be white. Then the color here can be maroon. Border radius, every other thing remain unless there's need for the change. So once you refresh for the width should be 70% of the beta. So we can equally repeat the class input one for this other one. So class equal to input one. So both of them will have the same features. Okay. So let's add margin button. Let's say 5% as well. We see how it goes. Alright, I think it's better that way. Okay. So the a hover effect, I think I should quickly do that so that once someone places, but before then let's align the content. Here it said text align is equals to center, and it will align content to center. So you start from center. Let's also restrict that someone will not type everything here. So you get to the input view and say max length. No, not it. Max length should be, let's say, 15. So username must not exceed 15. So you can add title, a label, and say username name must not exceed 15 characters. Alright, so you can equally add that max length for password. Or let's leave it at that. And there you go. So once it's more than 15, it will stop. Okay. Alright, so we are going to make a hover effect for the button. We want it to be once someone places a mouse over the button, it should have a different color. So I've just copied and replaced. So I'm going to invert the color. Here will be white and let the color be maroon. Alright. Okay. Let me take this. So once someone places a mouse, so I'm going to say once someone places a mouse over, so a hover is what we call it. So you notice that once someone places a mouse, it's gonna change. So that's the effect I've just created. Please drop your comments at the bottom of this video in the comment section, and if there's anything you want me to help you out, you can do it. Thank you for watching.